The pre-dive procedures begin 2 hours before the scheduled time of our first tour. As part of this procedure, the crew confirm the condition and correct functioning of our boats and of the various systems on the Atlantis XII submarine. These systems are checked one by one so as to ensure their correct operation. Cleaning of all vessels is also carried out at this time. Each of these tasks is carried out by one of our crew who has undergone training and been certified to carry out these tasks. Once pre-dive tasks have been completed, we begin towing the submarine with our support vessel Ixtab to our dive site located at Chankanaab Reef, which is part of the Cozumel Reef National Park. The tow takes 40 to 45 minutes. Meanwhile, our passenger vessel Anna is ready and waiting for the passengers for our first dive of the day.